Welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to talk about cost codes. So we're in the dashboard, go to the financial tab at the top, go down to cost codes. Now, as we talked about in the first steps video, cost codes are very important. They come into play a lot. They are used for purchase orders, estimates, proposals, change orders. They feed into all your financial information in the system. If your company doesn't use cost codes, that's fine. You don't need to use them. You can operate without. But if your company does, I strongly recommend that you do set them up right away. So we'll go into a little bit of detail how to do that. It's very straightforward. We've got a few test ones already created here. You can add as many as you want to just by clicking this Add Cost Code button. This is the unit rate that is charged, and this is the unit rate that is cost to you. So we can edit this. We make that $2. We can add a painting cost code. Maybe we charge $3. It costs us $2 per unit. We'll delete these two items. Save cost codes. That's it. You enter your information, save them, and everything's ready for any financial statements you need to make. Now, as an example how they work, we'll go down to estimates. If we create an estimate, we can have a name for this estimate. We can assign it to a client. We'll go into more detail later in an estimates video, but this is where it comes into play is line items. So everything gets built out by a line item. You can have multiple line items. You can have one line item, doesn't matter. If we select from our painting cost code, it auto-populates the numbers. Tax is already applied. We can delete that if there's no tax that's applicable. We can select from a different type of tax. We'll go into a tax video later as well. We can edit our quantity. So it auto-populates the numbers from our cost code that we have created. Simple as that. Great little tool, saves a bunch of time. Thanks again, Horizon Site Pro.